Hello everybody, today is Tuesday, March 7th. It's 3:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I have my time and sales on the left, and you can see the Emini SP. Actually, that's the crude oil trading at 53.11, and the Emini SP currently trading at 23.66 and a quarter. And we have an excellent day going for the auto trader. Before I continue, first the required disclaimer. Okay, quite a good day for the auto trader today. It's about 15 minutes before the close. First up is the DAX on the Super 14 tick. Yesterday we saw the DAX hit its daily goal and had positive slippage on a very good long trade or short trade and then a small long trade. Today it came back with another solid performance, hit its goal and had slippage of about 2 ticks. And we had a very small winner right here off the open, and then we had an excellent placed short trade. You can see we got filled on our limit order, and a long trade also filled on limit order. We see the tails on the bars. If I make these candlesticks, it'll look a little bit different. Anyway, excellent performance here, hitting its goal for the second day in a row on the DAX Super 14 tick. Okay, next up is the NASDAQ, and we're currently short one contract. We hit our first target. We're trading 2 contracts here. We hit our first target here. We're still short one with an open P&L of about 300 or so, a closed P&L of 1325. So this is pretty big numbers for the NASDAQ. And we had a number of trades that's about as good as you could get. We had a couple of small losers here, and then a fantastic long and a fantastic short, and then a repeat of that. So we had 2 small losers, drew us down about $330 off the open, and then followed by 4 winners in a row. And as I've stated many times before, it would be nearly impossible to trade these swings back to back via discretion and come up with this much profit. As a discretionary trader, you might make one of these trades, but you'd be second guessing yourself, and there's no way you would achieve the efficiency and probably be able to just trade back to back on this kind of action, because basically really difficult trade when you have, a sharp move to the upside and then a reversal. Now, as I was speaking, this just closed its position right here at 53.4650. So now we have a closed P&L of 1545 for the NASDAQ for today. Okay, next up is the Dow E-mini contract, and we had a very well placed long and a short, and then we had a little bit of a loser here and ended up with 675 for the day. Our equity high was just a little bit higher, maybe $800 or so. So again, very excellent trade placement, and this is using our line break logic. You can see the line break signals here, very well placed, and again, testimony to how well the indicators do. Keep in mind, this is a range from 20,890s to 20,970. So this is only about a 100-point range, but the indicator and the line break indicators just giving excellent signals here. So keep in mind that the BWT precision indicators do a great job of giving you signals, and it's all laid out here very, very clean. Okay, next up is the Emini SP on a line break chart, and we had a number of trades here, kind of up and down, both up and down, catching these swings here, and still closed out at 375 for the day. That's pretty good. Okay, next up is the Emini SP on the Super 6 tick. This is the chart that I featured in the hypothetical performance and performance report video. So here it is today in live trading, and we had a small loser to start, and then we had this really excellent short trade. So we're currently short one contract. It hit its first target, and so all told, we're up about $350 or so as we're just 7 minutes from the close. So this will probably finish okay today with a decent profit. I'll just make this a little bit bigger. So our entry here was 2369.50, and the market currently trading about 4 points. There's about 4 points in this trade right now, as you can see. Okay, next up we have the gold contract, and first thing I see here is some great signals on the indicators, notably this big short trade, but this was probably before the begin time of the strategy. And we had a couple of winners and a couple of losers and finished with a modest gain of $280 in the gold. That's all for today's video. If you would like to find out more, please visit our website and have a look around. Please do read the frequently asked questions and my bio, and take a look at the pricing page. So a lot of your questions that you people have that are following us, everything is there on the website. If you have further questions, you can email me at systems@bluewavetrading.com, or you can call me on the phone. Number is on our contact page on the website. Thanks for watching today.